Hey guys, today we're opening up Prizm Draft Picks. We're looking for exclusive neon pink pulsars of the top players. We're looking for color blasts, and we're also looking for on-campus case hits. So let's get into it. This is my first time opening up Prizm Draft Picks ever. So I don't really know what to expect. So it comes with 6 packs, 5 cards per pack. So it should be a pretty quick rip, but hopefully you get a case hit. Dylan Gabriel rookie. Caden Prather. Amarian Hampton on the green parallel, not numbered. Eric Dickerson, and Jack Beck. So there's a lot of rookies in this, and also future draft picks that are still in college right now. So we're looking for Arch Manning. These packs are hard to open. Arch Manning. Personally, I would love to pull Bryce Underwood. Really just any case hit. So we have an Ashton Genty, Brady Cook, Jonas Sanker on the pink parallel. Yeah. Isaiah Roberts and Marcel Reed. So this is what I mean, the rated prospects we can get. He's still in college, so you know, who knows if he'll be any good. All right, we're about halfway through now. Haven't seen anything too crazy. Ryan Fitzpatrick, or Fitzgerald, sorry. Ooh, here's our autograph. Tanner McGee. It's from Stanford. I don't know anything about him. Not numbered. Stanford QB. I don't know much about him. Hopefully he's good. Trevor Etienne on the rookie Fearless. It's a pretty sweet card. Vernon Broughton and Nico Collins. That's pretty sweet. Michigan fan. All right, halfway through, we pulled the autograph. You're not guaranteed an autograph, so Zy Alexander, Danny Stutzman, Torrey Horton, Jalen Royals, and Mike Evans. Second to last pack. Let's get a color blast. Come on. Cam Scatterboo. That's good. That's a good card. Colson Loveland. There we go. Taj Brooks. Vernell Brown. TJ Sanders. All right, last pack. Come on. This looking big. Preferably color blast case hit. But I'll be okay with anything. Elijah Bradger. Tyleek Williams. Amon Ra on the pink parallel. That's pretty sweet. Jonah Coleman. And then Dan Marino. Well, nothing too crazy. Just some decent rookies this year. Trevor Etienne Fearless is a pretty sweet card. Tyleek Williams, Elijah Bradger, TJ Sanders, Taj Brooks, Colson Loveland, Cam Scatterboo, Jalen Royals. So some decent rookies. Nobody too crazy. And then our one autograph, Tanner McGee. Don't know much about him. That's it.